film. Yes, Ottino. Hi guys, Dr. Shomor again. You can see I'm having a slight problem with my beautiful Alsatian wanting to participate in this presentation. I've got to get two simple principles across. Imagine these here are reservoirs, your pots of life. And imagine your pot is full, right to the top. That means you've had good sleep, good food, rest, you had a lot of water to drink, you are in good company, you are ready to face the day. Now in the day, as you know, there are small problems, and there might be a big one waiting for you. And every time you spend energy at doing your chores, doing life, solving problems, energy goes down. Problem solved. You use energy for this one, energy down, and this one is solved. Energy down, this one is solved. So by the end of the day, you might have only this left. And it might be, while this is running out, to try and get this one in line, this might not be enough energy for that. That's the moment you feel stress, when your life energy doesn't match what is demanded. Now, of course, no joke, you can see here footprints of my beautiful participant, my dog. When the energy is low, what you need to do, quite obviously, is you need to replenish. You need to fill this reservoir. We all know, we all understand that without sleep we don't function well. Good sleep restores. There are other things I've hinted at to restore your life energy when we talked about coping. And that is a major task in the maintenance of human life and being able to be effective. Replenishment. And we're going to list one thing after the other that are good and possible and research-based, evidence-based stuff that tells us this is what we need to do to fill our life reservoir, to be able to cope well, to be humanly effective. The second principle I want to get across today, not so difficult. This is underneath here. Let's get to that. Is the idea that there's a relationship between human effectiveness on this axis, from little effectiveness to super effectiveness, and from little stress to a lot of stress. So here we have low stress, and here we have high stress. And here we have zero effectiveness, and here we have 100% effectiveness. Fantastic. What is the relationship between the two? It's a simple graph. This is it. You've seen this graph before. That means there is a level here at which we peak. That is fantastic. At that point here, your effectiveness is superb, and your stress is between low and high, meaning tolerable, manageable. What are we talking about? When stress is very low, human beings don't get going. As we get going, meaning there is demand, challenge, we get better and better, reaching a peak, and then it gets too much and we slide down in our effectiveness to this area here, which we're going to address, called burnout. That is really the bad stuff which you don't want to go into, which you don't want to reach, because the return from burnout is very low. Here the explanation. Life here is boring, repetitive, not very meaningful. And of course, hello, can I transport you across? No. Can I transport you to the side? Thank you very much. On top here, life is rich in activity, full of good challenge, meaningful, really exciting life. When this happens, life is meaningful, my life is full of activity, life is very, very good to you, meaning you are feeling alive. We are very effective. Here comes the normal slide down, the slide down on this stress effectiveness relationship. Life becomes overwhelming, threatening, conflictual, meaningless. We go down, 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 down in effectiveness till we reach burnout. Here, things do not make sense anymore. What you're doing is questioned on every level. Your sleep pattern is bad. Your food intake is bad. You're not drinking the required liquids. You are not meditating. You are not exercising. You're not relating well. It has become something of constant, relentless duress. Nobody can live through that in a chronic way. We burn out. So let me repeat. Low stress, humans don't get going. Medium stress is good. Overwhelming stress, no good whatsoever. And of course, when it becomes chronic, we fizzle out. More later. Bye.